Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equal to sine of s over 3. Later that, we need to do first the derivative for the both sides, and we have 1 over 3 cosine of s over 3 ds. Because we don't have 1 over 3 in here, so I will put number 3 go to the left. So this one we change by u. This one we change by 3 du. The integration of u, we have u squared over 2. About u, that is about this one. This is the end. Thank you for watching.